Want to shop on AliExpress but don't have the app yet? Downloading and installing it on your Android device is quick and easy. In this video, I'll show you how to do it step by step. First, open the Google Play Store on your phone. Tap on the search bar at the top and type in AliExpress. Once the app appears in the search results, tap on it to open the app page. Next, tap the Install button to start the download. If prompted, enter your password or authenticate with your fingerprint to confirm. Wait for the installation process to finish. This may take a few seconds depending on your internet speed. Once the app is installed, tap Open to launch AliExpress. Now you can log in or create an account and start browsing millions of products from sellers worldwide. You're now ready to shop on AliExpress. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.